Hello, welcome to another bulk image edit tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going over the add and remove image function. You can find it on our homepage or on the sidebar. Let's get started. You can use this function to add or remove an image from multiple products. Let's select the product images. Let's select the product shirt. As you can see, we have one shirt product. Now, we can choose to add an image, remove an image, or remove duplicated product images. Here, I'm going to add an image. I'm going to choose a size chart. We're going to add it as the last image in our product. I'll start the bulk edit. Now that the task is finished, we can check our product and we can see that the size chart has been added to our product media gallery. We can also remove an image from our product. We'll select the product images and we'll go back to shirt. Now we can select remove an image. We can remove any image from any of these indexes. Let's select the last image, which was the shirt chart that we just added. Start the bulk edit, and we'll wait for the task to finish. When we go back to our product, we can see that the shirt chart has now been removed. That's all for today, and I hope to see you at the next tutorial.